Okay, for this video we are headed into the car wash. The car wash is automatic. Every vehicle that gets serviced at the Willis Auto Campus will be washed. After, I will also go through the vacuum process. Let's see, there's a Lexus ahead of me here a little bit. Getting ready to pull in there. There is a wand here on the side where they will get you all set up for the cleaning. And shortly here we're going to pull through so you get an idea of what the vehicle goes through each time it goes through the car wash. And they do wash hundreds of cars through here each day. We're pulling up here. You can see up in the front corner we do have everything getting sprayed and cleaned. We'll just proceed through here with caution. Through the rinse and almost to the dryer. As you can see, we do have set up there a full staff of people that will dry and vacuum out all the cars as they go through. And as we draw to the end here, we'll just pull up slowly towards the entrance, towards the exit. And here we are, back out on the road.